Hello everyone, this is Rex Daniel, President of the Starlight International School SDGs Club, and this is the team that helped make this project a reality.
Hello everyone, I am Benjamin Lin. I am a secretary from Star International School SDG Club.
My name is Surya Terrell, and I am a club header for Starlight's SDGs Club.
Hi there, I am Michelle Terrell. I am an activity planner for Starlight's SDGs Club.
Hello, my name is Mark, and I'm the Vice President of our Starlight SDGs Club.
We are all very glad to have been picked to present and share our ideas in front of so many other schools. We hope you can learn from everything we're going to share involving climate action in Taiwan. Before we start though, I want to introduce our school's club more properly. During August of last year, our school opened and we had our first proper month of school. Not long after, with the help and guidance of our science teacher Ronnie Anthony and Starlight's founder Joey Wong, we formed the Starlight's SDGs Club. One of our first SDGs Club sponsored science classes had us go out into Taichung's Wenshin Park to pick up garbage and help educate passers-by about the plant life around them. In October of 2020, Starlight International School will attend the Taichung Compass Festival, an event held by the Compass Magazine Group. Our SDGs Club sold and promoted organic produce, as well as using simple games to educate younger Taiwanese citizens about produce. Near the end of last year, our school's P4 through M1 classes went on a trip to Dongshu Forest Park, where our club showed the other students at Starlight how to manage water and waste. We also taught them how to recognize certain native plant life.
Hello everyone, I am here to tell what are the SDGs and specifically what goal number 13 is. First of all, SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable development means that human society can develop while also maintaining the ability for natural systems to provide resources for us. The SDGs are a list of goals that have all unique purposes. For example, Life for Land, Climate Action, Zero Hunger, and Gender Equality. They're created by the United Nations in order to help keep the world healthy and create a peaceful environment and build prosperity for humanity. They were refined and adopted in 2015, and they are hoped to be accomplished by 2030, with the help of all the people and government around the world. The goal that we were given to present on is SDG goal number 13, climate action. This means taking steps toward protecting the environment from pollution and slowing global warming. Some of the effects of climate change and air pollution are increased typhoons, rising sea levels due to glaciers melting plus thermal expansion, droughts caused by delay of rainfall, global warming, and blizzards. These problems are critical to some places on Earth and could have disastrous effects if left unchecked. Taiwan is not the only contributor to these problems, and it's not the only affected country we can all do something to help prevent climate change.
Did you know that due to evidence from interviews we gave to Taiwanese citizens, the most common problem is the air pollution? Taiwan's air pollution is mostly caused by coal power plants, scooters, and other gas vehicles, pollution from factories, and burning of agricultural waste. The biggest producer on this list is coal power plants. In fact, here in Taichung, we have Taiwan's biggest coal plant. The next highest cause is scooters. In Taiwan, they create even more pollution than cars. After these two, factory pollution and agricultural waste burning are the next highest causes.
I am here to tell you how students like you and me can combat climate change. If you travel by car or scooter, it is much better for you to use public transport. The reason behind this is that with more people using public transport, less people will be driving around themselves. This means less damaging gases will be released into the atmosphere. Another way to help would be to leave unused electronics unplugged. This helps by having less power used. Big power plants like coal plants in Taiwan won't have to run as much. A third way to prevent climate change is to only take as much food as you need, as well as trying to maintain a vegetarian diet. I know this doesn't sound like something that could prevent climate change, but when your parents make food or you order food at a restaurant, they use power to cook and prepare food. The less you ask for, the less power they have to use. As for the vegetarian diet, the less animal food providers need means less gases like methane released to the expulsion of waste. The next way to help would be using little to no one-use plastics, as the production process of plastic requires the use of fossil fuels. Now the easiest and most important way to help is to spread awareness of climate change and its disastrous effects.
We would like to thank everyone moderating and listening to this event, as it truly was an honor to be a part of it. We will now be passing it on to Tatiana Popa at Moldova's Heritage International School.
1, 2.